We call the car assisted living. You know, it's a grandma car. It's got a vinyl top, for crying out loud. Hey everybody, my name's Tony. We're out here at Holley LS Fest West. This is our third time out here with our 78 Ford Fairmont. Yeah, we got the Fairmont out here to compete in drag and drive. Later this year, we plan to do a couple drag and drives with the car. When I found the car, I actually found it out of Indiana. A guy had it, and it had ran and drove, and we flew out there and picked it up and changed up the setup a bunch since we bought it. But I wanted something different, kind of obscure. Everybody's got a Fox body Mustang or a Nova, you know, or Chevelle. You don't see these very often anymore. Yeah, it was LS swap, pretty much stock motor, 5.3, 4L60 combo, bare bones, stock intake, stock cam, stock head bolts. Ended up turboing the car, put a sloppy best cam in it, valve springs, push rods. We put a Holley high ram on it just because we got it off Facebook Marketplace for $500, brand new. I built this custom exhaust because we just changed the setup a couple months ago, and we got the car running last week, so it's now on a Terminator X and a 4L80 Circle D converter. We did our first shakedown pass today after we had issues with a wideband going bad this morning, and it was an okay pass. It went faster than last year. It's only on 8 pounds right now. We'll probably turn it up tomorrow, try to get a better reaction time and better quarter-mile time, hopefully get it in the low 11s. I'd love for it to be a 10-second street car with a trailer behind it. I got into cars because my dad had a 70 Nova, small block Chevy deal, and my older brothers had a bunch of Fox body Mustangs, Datsun 240Zs, and I kind of actually started in the import world. I had a 04 STI, big turbo car, made 700 horsepower, and I was kind of tired of it, tired of how much it cost to build, wanted a more efficient setup. You know, you get a junkyard 5.3 for 400 bucks, whereas building a Subaru is $10,000. So last year, LS Fest, I drove my pickup truck and my toy hauler, and then I had to drive 2 hours home to go get my enclosed trailer. This year, we just loaded in the toy hauler. And let me tell you what, I'm about the only person here who's crazy enough, I guess, to load their car in a toy hauler, because everybody else got expensive rigs. It worked. Yeah, we got it here. We didn't fold the door trying to load it or unload it, so that's a good sign. I might bring 2 cars next year. I've got a 86 Ford LTD station wagon that's getting a 6-liter LS with a LSA supercharger and a 4L80. Ford tough with Chevy stuff. Yeah, no matter what, I'll be back.